Welcome to Crafting with Kids. This is a occasional series from Quilt Addicts Anonymous. I'm Stephanie Soebbing, and we've got the Future Quilter with us today, who is snacking on some pretzels because it works up an appetite to being creative, right? Right? So if you are on a budget and you are looking for some creative things that your kids can do, go to Goodwill. I found this at Goodwill. I hadn't bought them because they were kind of expensive, and I figured it was kind of too much for like a one-off thing. We always get to a hot mess at some point. But then I went to Goodwill. This thing was $2.88. $2.88. Like, you cannot eat at McDonald's for that price. Yes. Yeah. So there's paint involved, so you're going to want to wear something that you can get messy. And we've got one of those old bibs with a pocket in it that you put on them when they're first starting to eat solids. You ready? Okay, she cannot handle it. Here, it opens from this side. Yeah. Now, since this is secondhand, who knows how much stuff is in it? It looks like it has been used probably one time by the previous person.
Mom, I have colors in there.
But yeah, but we've got the colors, and we've got some special crayons, and we have the instructions. Let's take a look and see how this stuff works. So the white crayons are for creating a resist. A resist, Angela, is a spot where the paint is not going to get. So that's pretty cool. And we have lots of these cool dyes. I'm sure you can probably pick those up elsewhere as well. All right, so let's move some of this stuff out of the way, kiddo.
Why?
All right, you ready to give this a try? Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is kid power. There are no batteries needed. You're right, that goes in there. Here, go ahead and give this a push. You can see how it spins. So the idea is that you put these discs in. Hang on, Mommy's got to take this out.
Why?
And I believe these things, little tabs, fit underneath there. This is a tab slot.
It does not go in there.
Well, hang on. First, we got to get the paper in, okay? All right, so I've slid the tabs in the tab slot.
I want to use this one.
Then we just have to plop this in place. There we go. You have to flip the tabs down underneath it. Okay, hang on. All right, let's see if there's any instructions here. All right, so we get the tabs in. I gotta fold it under. And then we just, I guess, have to squeeze this. Only is going to go in there, okay? Mom will start spinning it. You squirt it in. You want to do it in more than one spot. Here, do it in other places too. Like, do it out here.
Now.
Oh, that's cool. You're gonna use blue. Do you know what color blue makes when it gets combined with red?
What?
Purple. Oh, and we're getting paint on the white desk. This could be bad. We're gonna make it work. Are you ready? Only over that part, okay? Do it in other places other than the center, and you'll make cool designs. Should we stop and see what it looks like? Ooh, cool. Hang on, you can't turn it upside down.
I want to be yellow.
Yellow.
What yellow makes?
Well, yellow, when it's with blue, makes green, and when it is with red, it makes orange. Cool, huh? Do it in the outside, too. Just squeeze it.
Let me see.
Here, how about Mommy squeeze this and you push this? Ready? Come on, keep spinning. You gotta keep going up and down. Neat, huh? You wanna do another color?
I just do blue now.
You wanna do, what color is that?
Red.
Red, you're right.
What red makes sense?
Well, when it is with blue, it makes purple, and when it is with yellow, it makes orange. See, look, the It's mixed together to make green, even though we didn't use green. Isn't that neat? Oh, keep it over the paper.
Let's see what the look.
Oop, hang on. You're getting red everywhere. We need some paper towels, Dad. All right, we'll do one more color and then we're gonna clean up the desk a little bit, okay? Because we're getting paint everywhere.
From you for us to make it.
Yeah, we're making a big mess on this one. Squeeze it out over there only. Not on the desk. Just over here.
And that's what it looks like.
Ooh, is that neat?
No,
No, we gotta clean up. We gotta clean up this a little bit, and then we can do another one, okay? Sound good? We're gonna take a little break and clean up the desk, because I got stuff everywhere. No, we're not coloring on the desk. All right, so that cleaned up really easily, actually. I was worried that it would be bad, but it's Crayola. They know it needs to be washable. So I was able to get it off of this white area with a little bit of Windex and paper towel, nothing fancy. We got it off of us with a little bit of soap and water and some makeup wipes. So baby wipes were too. It was pretty easy. Now, the one thing I don't know how to do is get this out. Is it dry already? I guess it's kind of dry. Let's see if we can get this out. And get another one in. Okay, hang on. Mommy's trying to get it out for you, and then we can do another one. Okay, well, we have one art disc that looks pretty cool. It is very wet on the underneath side. So I feel like I need some wax paper to put this on. For right now, I'm just going to put it on top of the box and off to the side. Do you want to try one with the resist crayon so we can see how that works? Okay, so with this one, you need to draw anything. Just scribble. That one doesn't have a tip. Just scribble all over, but make sure you stay on the paper, okay? Just scribble. Draw whatever you want. I know, you're not going to see it now. You'll see it later. So you can make like a squiggly line.
I want to finish that.
You want to do another one? Let's do a star and maybe another squiggle. You want to make one more? Now that we know the trick of putting the tips down, let's see if it goes. All right, you ready? What color do you want to do first? Yeah, a little bit. Well, the thing's on. Hang on. All right, Angela, I want you to try and keep the color over the paper only and create cool designs. You want it all by the center? Oh, careful. That is why we used the shirt we did. It's okay, just leave it. You look like you're in The Shining.
I look like emoji.
Like an emoji?
I am.
Well, you know what? We're gonna do a bath right after this. It's all good. You gonna do blue next? Okay.
I don't.
All right, keep it over. There you go. Now do the outside too. Ooh, look at that. And look, you can see where you drew with the crayon earlier. You see those scribbles where it's lighter? That's where you colored with the crayon. You wanna do some more? Okay. Honey, try not to touch the paper. Because it slows it down and drags it everywhere. All right, let's wait. Let's let it stop. Ooh, look at that. You wanna do any other colors before we're done? You want to do some more red so it can mix and make purple? Or maybe I got an idea.
What?
Okay, you do blue And Mama's gonna do red at the same time. We're gonna see if we can make purple. How's that sound? Ready? Just squeeze it out.
Oh.
All right, you ready to see?
Yeah.
All right, turn it up. Turn the right side up. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, look at how cool that is. That's so cool. You having fun?
When I do yellow and then you do
And what does that make?
Blue.
Do you remember what Mommy told you yellow and blue make?
what?
What color do you think it makes? Green. Let's see if we can make green. All right, you ready?
Oh, it's red.
You ready to give this a try? All right, let's see. Oh, look at that.
Ah.
That's so cool.
I do red and you do yellow.
And what color does that make? Do you remember?
Orange.
Orange, good job. You're learning the color wheel. That's my quilter's daughter. You're gonna make a good future quilter when you know your colors. Ready?
I'm gonna be a huge silver. Do I know all my colors?
Yeah. Because red, yellow, and blue are primary colors. And when you mix them together, you make secondary colors. Green, purple, and orange are all secondary colors. All right, now let's just wait. This will be the final reveal. Let's be patient and wait for it to slow down. Do it. I know we can. Oh, it's beautiful. And you know what happens when all the colors mix together?
Let's put it down.
It makes black right there.
What's black?
Well, when they all mix together, they end up turning black. All right, I think that's plenty for this disc. I think it's already gonna take a long time to dry. Hey, we're done with this for now. I think it's bath time, but did you have fun? Yeah?
Tomorrow we'll make some more.
Tomorrow we'll make some more. So you like the spin art maker from Crayola, right?
Yeah.
Hey, don't pull Mama's hair up. All right, so I feel like this is a crafting win. If you want to pick one up, it'll be a lot of fun. It's messy, but it cleans up pretty easily. You had fun, right?
And they're gonna be yucky.
It is yucky, but it's a good yuck, right? Is it a good yuck? We're too busy eating pretzels. It's all good. It's a good yuck. Come on. You like getting dirty and you like being all messy. I know you love it.
I love being yucky.
All right, well, until next time, enjoy crafting with those little ones. It will teach them all kinds of good creative skills and problem solving, and maybe someday you'll get a quilter. That's my hope anyway. You're gonna be a quilter?
Yeah.
We're already learning the color wheel, so that means you're gonna be good at selecting fabrics for a quilt. You already are good. She's pretty good actually at picking out fabrics for dresses.
Mom.
That was totally my eye that you put your finger in. You gotta be careful. All right, until next time, happy crafting. Can you say happy crafting? Bye. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and check us out over at quiltaddictsanonymous.com.
.com.